my grandmother had the dealership add the leather upholstery. Now, I know they did it at the dealership, and you know, it looks factory. It's a good looking leather upholstery. I think they charge about $1,200 or $1,500 to add that. Find the spot. Let's see. There's the river. I'm trying to remember where I'm at. Oh yeah, I know where I'm at now. Every road I'm taking is taking me further away. Okay, we'll get a little freeway run. Let's do a little to the floor, baby. Like I said, she's got pretty good power. No issues with getting up and going. Got great pickup. Anyway, I just thought I'd do this real quick little video on the 15 Camry LE. We'll see y'all on the next video. Hopefully it'll be in a Mercedes E430. Not bad, not bad. Y'all have a great day. Stay safe. Peace.